What's up, guys? I'm back for another video today. So today we're gonna be doing the Kylie Jenner skincare routine. Yes we are. Yes we are. But plot twist, there wasn't enough money in the budget, so I'm not actually using her products. I got you there. There was no money in that budget for $150 for skincare that I'll probably use once and then I'll never use again. But you know what? We're gonna be doing something similar. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna follow her skincare routine that she uploaded on YouTube. I'm gonna follow it to the T, do what she says. I'm gonna be using products that are similar to what she uses. Obviously, I can't afford that non-expensive stuff, so I'm gonna be using products that I have in my bathroom. I also got some products that I didn't have necessarily, so that I'd be able to copy what she did. I know this channel ain't known for skincare. I know it's not. I know, don't even say nothing in those comments about my skin, because you know what, I know, okay? So you don't need to point it out if I already know. So we're just gonna go along with it. What I'm gonna be doing is I have a bowl of water right here. I also got this fancy little bamboo cloth from the shops today, so I'll be able to use that. It's very soft, and I know it's not anything similar to the towel that she uses, but you know what? It's the best that we can do. I got my hair, you know. I don't want to hear nothing about that either. So I'm gonna stop talking right now, and we're gonna start this whole skin journey routine thing. So let's go.
So I'm going to show you guys my everyday skincare routine and just talk about my products a little more.
Ooh, those nails look nice. They look nice. They look kind of like the ones that I did.
My face wash, probably my favorite product in the line. It just makes my face feel so clean, and it also retains your natural moisture in your face. So
you say so.
You really only need one pump. Goes a long way.
Okay, so she says one pump. So what I'm going to be using is Dr. Jart Dermaclear Microfoam. It's very foamy as well. And so it says to perfect cleansing with fine bubble, purifying effect of hydrogen mineral water, mild and moisturizing formula, dermatologist tested. So I'm going to be using this. And she says one pump. I don't have a pump. It's just like a little squirt thing. So I'm just going to put like a little bit. That seems good. She didn't even wet her face. I just realized. So how are we gonna put this on?
So super foamy. I went through a lot of samples to get the perfect.
Okay, so I don't know. I'm just gonna dip my fingers in the water, and you know, just hope that it's okay. Yeah. Mine's also super foamy. So I'm just gonna start. This is dry. This is so dry. Why did she put water on her face? Unless she did and I missed it. Anyway.
Amount of just foaminess and creaminess. The soap is amazing.
You know what? This is foamy. Like, it's just because she didn't put water on her face. I'm just gonna put some water. And then let's just put a little bit more, because, you know, it's gone. The foam is gone. There we go. There's the foam. Okay.
It's so refreshing. And the thing about this face wash is it doesn't strip your face. Sometimes when I use other face washes, after my face will feel super dry and like it just took all the life out of my face. This almost brings your face back to life. It's a very unique face wash.
Okay, so she's not putting it on her forehead, and we can see what our forehead problem is like right now. But anyway, so I guess time to wash it off. I told you we're following this to the T. I don't care how ridiculous this is. We're gonna follow it. Okay. Gosh, this bowl is so tiny. I don't. I'm like trying not to splash my table as well. Probably would have been smart to put a towel. But anyway, so then now what? She's getting a towel.
My face not wipe because I used to really dry my face really harsh. Now we're just gonna be gentle with our faces, ladies. Now I'm gonna.
What was that?
My walnut face scrub. I actually wrote all of these descriptions on the back, handwritten by Kylie. Our gentle yet effective walnut exfoliator is essential for achieving a fresh face.
Okay, so I've heard some things about this exfoliator, and they're not good. They ain't good, guys. Like, people are saying that it causes like skin tears, micro skin tears, because you know, walnuts like powder, it's not fine at all, and it could really damage your skin. So then I just brought out the most harsh, okay, I don't want to say like the most harsh, but you know, one of those like really strong scrubs that I use for when like I have those breakouts, like those real breakouts that make you not want to go outside because you think people are looking at you so strangely and wondering what the fuck is wrong with this person's skin. Like, this is when I use that scrub. So I'm gonna be using Ocean Salt face and body scrub from Lush. This one, it says lashings of fine sea salt to scrub and clean, organic limes to brighten, and avocado butter to soften your skin. This one, I only use it like when the damage has been done and I need to be saved immediately. When it's the world's against you and the universe and your skin is against you, you use this.
Anti-inflammatory ingredients and skin smoothing fruit extracts that buff away dead skin cells to reveal a soft, radiant complexion. Scrubs can be kind of harsh on your skin when you just put it on dry.
People's skin.
So I'm gonna wet my face a little.
Okay.
And then I'm just gonna use a little bit and put it on my face.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna take a little bit. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here and a little bit here. Ooh. Okay.
I'm gonna rub mainly like around my nose. I'm gonna avoid the delicate skin around my eyes. It smells really good. We actually put no fragrance in a lot of our products.
Mine is
so it just
favorites.
smells like pure, delicious walnuts. And wash it right off.
She did that for like 5 seconds. What? Okay. Anyway, let's continue. So, I wouldn't really recommend using like exfoliant when your pimples are open, because it could really I got it in my mouth. I'll stop talking. Ew. Oh, that was gross. Anyway, as I was saying, I don't recommend using like a harsh exfoliant like this or that walnut scrub that she's using when you have open pimples, because it could really ruin and damage your skin. But if your pimples are closed or they're just beginning to form, I'd probably recommend like using something like this, not necessarily that walnut scrub, because it could cause micro tears. And remember, when you're using exfoliants like that anyway, you need to massage very carefully and very gently so you don't cause micro tears that are that bad.
Again, we're gonna pat, ladies and gentlemen. I like to use it 2 to 3 times a week, even if you do it once a week, like after the week, to just like remove dead skin cells. It really is.
You'll have no skin by the end of it.
To
I'm telling you now.
soft, delicious skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my vanilla milk toner, which smells delicious. It's very fast and easy to use toner. This really helps me remove any surviving makeup after my foaming face wash. So this really helps just ensure that my face is as clean as possible before I go to sleep. So I'm just gonna do a little dot.
Okay, so for our toner that we're going to be using, I'm going to be using tea tree water from Lush as well. So it says, comes to the aid of skin that has emergencies. Tea tree is a wonder, antibacterial, antiseptic, and antimicrobial ingredient for anyone with oily or spot-prone skin. Well done. I don't like using cotton pads because it's like, I think it really dries out my skin even with the toner, so I like to spray it. So it's a good thing that this is a spray. And also pads are just, I think they could cause damage to your skin if you don't like use them gently enough.
On a cotton pad. Toner really helps prepare my face for my serum and my moisturizer. So I'm just gonna wipe this all over.
Spray.
Smells amazing.
Yeah, and then
I could take a bath in this. I don't really like toners that have alcohol in them. Again, my face feels very stripped away. So this retains your natural moisture and just feels really good and fresh. So after my toner, I'm gonna go in with my vitamin C serum. All you really need to do is apply a single pump. I'm actually gonna go crazy today and do 2.
Oh, she's wild. She's wild. She's going with 2 pumps. 2. Ooh, Kylie, take a break. Like, chill, man. Like, sit down. Sit down. That's crazy, man. I don't know what this vitamin C serum is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the ultra calming serum concentrate from Dermalogica as well. This is not mine. It's my mom's. But I'm using it. So what I'm gonna do, what does it even say? It says the solution for skin sensitivity, the super concentrated serum helps calm, restore, and defend sensitized skin. And then there's a lot of words after that, but it's too long. So I'm going to put a little bit like that. Woo! And just put it on. Okay.
It's for every day.
What about your forehead, sis?
It immediately soaks into your skin. That's what I love about this one.
She missed her
Vitamin
forehead,
C
man.
is an antioxidant, so it really helps brighten your complexion. So, love this. Then after that, I will use my face moisturizer. I love my face moisturizer because it's not, I don't really like super thin moisturizers. I like to feel lathered and delicious and moisturized. Also,
okay, for our moisturizer, I'm going to be using Cetaphil Oil Control Moisturizer. It's the formula for acne-prone skin. So it also comes with sunscreen, SPF 30, which is really good. My dermatologist says that you always need to put sunscreen on your face and your neck because that really helps with like hyperpigmentation, which I definitely have. I don't think there was a time in my life where I didn't have hyperpigmentation, and I'm okay with that because you know what? It's my skin. Nothing you can do about it sometimes. But anyway.
This moisturizer is my base for my makeup right now. This makes my makeup look flawless every single time. I'm just gonna pump.
Okay. It's a miracle.
I do like 2.5 squirts.
2.5.
This feels, there's no scent in this, so it just smells like all the natural ingredients in here. I learned strong fragrances can be kind of overwhelming, and also when it comes to your face, I feel like you just want to feel clean and like you're not putting fragrance on your face, so that was kind of important to me to keep everything super light and clean. Your face just looks naturally hydrated. I love putting this on just to leave the house when I'm wearing no makeup. It is the perfect base for my makeup, you guys. This has changed my life. Okay, so now, definitely not least, my eye cream. It pretty much is the best recipe for your eyes. My sisters taught me at a really young age to wear eye cream. I feel like you could start as early as you want. It's just a good preventative to keep your under eyes hydrated and moisturized. I designed this with a tip so you never actually have to use your fingers. I love that about this because sometimes I don't want to put on eye cream at night. It's a lot of work. So
I don't have eye cream. So what I'm gonna be using is this. I can't read French anymore. I like took French like 6 years ago. But anyway, it's this it's this Dermastine avec vitamin A. I just know it's vitamin A cream, which is very good. Ooh, I can read this part. Concentrate of natural pure vitamins A and E. So I'm just gonna be using that because I don't have eye cream. Like, I know I should probably use eye cream. Y'all can see these bags. They're like deep set and yeah, but anyway, I should probably be using eye cream, but I don't because I can't afford it.
This makes it super easy for me, so I'm just gonna squeeze it on here and then
okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit.
Apply it right
Okay, I just put a little bit
under my eyes. It could definitely cover up a late night partying, or even if you just stayed up late and haven't gotten a lot of sleep. This is a quick fix.
How is that a quick fix?
And voila. So that is my whole routine. I have been creating this for a year. I've been using it for a little under that, maybe.
Okay, what I want to know is, what was she using before she created this skincare kit thing? Because you know she was using something. She wasn't just splashing air on her face or scrubbing with photosynthesis sunlight. Like, what was she using before? She totally could have released a skincare routine before she created this thing. My general opinion about her skincare routine is, why did she miss her forehead so much? Like, my forehead has so much space, like it can't go without moisturizer. I know her forehead is half the size of mine, maybe even a quarter, something like this, and my forehead needs that moisturizer, it needs that cleanser, it needs that that toner or whatever, and she just missed her forehead half of that time. Anyway, and also the amount of time that she washed her face for, like, what was that? That was like 30 seconds at most. But anyway, well done for her for creating this. Sorry I couldn't actually get the skincare kit, because I ain't got no money. I'm broke like that. I just did a mixture of what she did and my normal skincare routine for you guys to see. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, do whatever you want. Tell me what you thought of the video, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.